Hi, this is Alex Diaz with Vistalegre, and if you're planning to buy or rent in a condominium development, today I give you the 6 advantages of living in a condominium development. And I want to start this video with a simple question. What kind of value does a condominium development provide to the life and needs of its residents? And on the top of my list, I have comfort. What are the activities that will be available to you on a day-by-day basis? Are you going to be able to go up for a swim in the pool, or use the jacuzzi, or maybe exercise at the gym, or you might want to read a book in the common areas, or you might want to have a gathering with friends and family. These are all things that add value by giving comfort to your lifestyle. Okay, we're going to move on to the second one, which is security. Security is important because when you live in a development, you have a sense of belonging. You have a sense of place. You have a sense of community, of family. Why? Because you have security guards. You have an administrator that you see on a daily basis. You have the cleaning ladies. You have the gardener. You have the pool guy, and you start developing a relationship with them, and that keeps you safe. That keeps you in a safe place, in a safe area. So I talked about comfort. I talked about security, and now I'm going to talk about location. Before, developers always do their homework before they even break ground, before they even start planning and looking for when they're looking for land to develop. They always look for the services that are available, the services that are nearby, roads, infrastructure, shopping centers, banks, hospitals, schools, beaches. All of this naturally adds value to the location of your investment, of your condominium, of the place where you're going to be living in. And folks, remember that in real estate you have location, 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 the 3 most important words in real estate. So I spoke about comfort, spoke about security, spoke about location, and next I'm going to speak about the maintenance, which is included in the HOA fees. Normally, when you live in a condominium development, you have an HOA in place. You have a homeowners association in place, and they make sure that the place is running smooth. They have an administrator, and we spoke about the security guard. We spoke about the cleaning ladies, the pool guys. So you don't have to worry about none of those things, and hence that you can occupy your mind and allocate your time onto more important things that add more value to your lifestyle. So we spoke about comfort, spoke about security, location, HOAs included, and we're going to talk about the appreciation value. Normally, if you do your homework and you pick the right place and you buy at the right time, you're going to be able to ride an appreciation wave that goes between the 12 and 20% normally. And you obviously you want to do your research, you want to do your homework, your due diligence to be able to get the most for your investment. Okay, we spoke about comfort, security, location, the HOAs included in the maintenance. We spoke about appreciation value, and last but not least, we are going to talk about the quality of life. By having all of these problems solved, you're going to have a much better quality of life. You're going to be able to hang out with friends in the common areas, or have them for a pool party, or instead of having to drive for 10 miles to go work out, you can work out and exercise at the gym. All of these things are going to allow you to do more with your time and have less worries and less time allocated to meaningless things. So in conclusion, if you're planning to buy or rent in a condominium development, the answer is clear. And yes, it is the best investment to buy in a development. So I hope this video was helpful, and now you know the 6 advantages of buying or renting in a condominium development. If you have questions about how to determine the appreciation value, how to determine a good location, how to determine the HOA fees, all of those questions, email me, WhatsApp me, or just post a comment, and I'll make sure I get back to you as soon as possible. Folks, once again, This is Alex Diaz, your friend in real estate and property rentals in Puerto Vallarta and Riviera Nayarit.